You've seen what Delphinium is all about. Now, let's switch it on and give your Canvas course a boost. This is your interactive walkthrough. Just follow the guided prompts by clicking the highlighted areas. Let's begin. Open your Canvas course and click Settings in the left menu. Then click the Navigation tab. Scroll down to the Disabled Items list and find Delphinium. Click the three-dot icon. Choose Enable. Drag Delphinium up just below Home, where it is easy to find. Scroll down and click Save. After saving, the page will reload and Delphinium will appear in the left menu. Click Delphinium to proceed. If asked, click Authorize so Delphinium can connect to your class. Additional setup choices are available when you click Show Me Other Options. For example, you could select a different Delphinium layout template or copy Delphinium settings from another course. These options will be explained in the Layout Editor lesson. For now, we'll load the default settings. Click Next to tell Delphinium a little about your class. On this screen, you'll select how content is organized in this course, either in modules or assignment groups. Click Next. Choose whether you want to make Delphinium the class homepage. We recommend making Delphinium the homepage because it makes it easier for students and observers to use it. You can always switch to a different homepage later. Click Next. Set the start and end dates and max points. Setting dates and max points in Delphinium does not change anything in your Canvas class or assignments. Delphinium just uses this information to customize how to display components, like the course countdown timer and prize boxes. Delphinium will try to get this data from Canvas, but you may need to make adjustments. If your class uses grading periods, confirm dates and points for each period and select the current grading period. By default, Delphinium will automatically count the points for all published assignments currently in the class. If you want it to include unpublished assignments too, click All Points Under Count for Me. If you have not added all your assignments to the course yet, don't worry. Just make your best guess about how many points your class will eventually have. You can update the max points later in course settings. If you have taught the class before, you might check how many points it had last time you taught as a good guess for how many points the class will have now. If you are unsure, it is better to estimate a little high. If you need to lower max points later, it will only help students unlock more awards. If you guess low and raise it later, some students may be frustrated when awards they received are relocked. If it becomes clear that your max points estimate is too high, you should lower it, otherwise students will never reach the top awards. If there are no assignments in the class, max points will be blank and you will need to input a number before you can continue. If there are no teachers in the class yet, you will see default teacher as none available. If there is a teacher in the class, their name will be listed after the default teacher label. If there are multiple teachers in the class, click Show Options to select the correct default teacher. Click the drop-down menu. Select the teacher's name. Click Done. You're almost done with the setup. Click Done. Delphinium will reload the page with your course in a new Delphinium layout. After setup, you may see yellow notification boxes at the top of the Delphinium page. These help you resolve setup steps that affect features like messaging and grades. Let's fix this yellow box for the grading period. First, to ensure that all students are also viewing the current grading period, check Set All Students to the current grading period. Then, click the Click Here to switch to the current grading period link in the yellow box. You may come across other yellow boxes. See the text below the video for details on each. When you first open Delphinium or click the Walkthrough Tour icon, a step-by-step guide walks you through each layout component. If necessary, you can update all the settings you configured while enabling Delphinium in the Delphinium Course Settings tab. Let's click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Go to the Course tab if needed. You can change all the settings you set up for your course here. This includes the start and end dates, max points, grading periods, course organization, course homepage, and the default teacher. Then, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your class is now powered by Delphinium. For future reference, detailed steps for enabling Delphinium in your courses are also described below this video.